Hey guys, welcome to another video in the smoothie series. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a very easy smoothie recipe that you can easily add to your diet. We're going to be making use of three ingredients, like three fruits. Actually, yeah, we're going to be making use of three ingredients, and the first one is pineapple. Some of the benefits of pineapple is that it boosts your immune system and is loaded with a lot of vitamins, apart from its sweet taste that we all love so much, it has a lot of vitamins that are very essential to our body. And the sweetest part of all is that it aids digestion. This smoothie actually is one that you can take if you're having constipation or if your tummy is not feeling like it's in the right place. It's the perfect smoothie for you. So after peeling the back of the pineapple, I'm just taking out I should know the name of this thing. I'm just taking out what you can see me taking out from the pineapple because we don't want them in the smoothie. Now that I'm done taking it all out, I'm just going to cut up the pineapple into smaller pieces that will make it easier for it to blend. And I'm taking out the middle of the pineapple because it's not as soft and juicy as the rest of it. This part I'm pointing at now, the part I'm pointing at, the part that I'm taking out of the pineapple. The rest of it, I'm just going to chop it into smaller pieces like this. The next ingredient in this smoothie is bananas. I know we all love bananas, and pineapple and bananas might sound strange, but I promise when you test this combination, you would love it so much. Please let me know what you think in the comments about this smoothie recipe when you try it. And even if you are yet to try it, just let me know what is going on in your head as you're watching this video. The last ingredient is coconut milk. Coconut milk is lactose free. That is one thing I love about coconut milk, and it reduces stomach ulcer. So when it comes to your digestive system, this is the smoothie for you. If you are someone that is very, like, your stomach is sensitive about what you take, this smoothie is perfect for you. You have nothing to worry about because the bananas will support digestive health also as they improve your blood sugar level. That's for those that have sugar problems, but this smoothie as a whole is perfect for your digestive system. So you can take it in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. You can even store it up in your fridge. You can make it like in a huge batch and store it in your fridge, and it will be perfect. Put them all in your blender and blend. Make sure it blends until it's completely smooth, and then your smoothie is ready. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I really appreciate your support. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and leave a comment on what you think. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.